The world has been infected by the virus of stress to the point that it is considered normal to be constantly running in the perpetual cycle of worry, fear, anxiety, depression, overwhelm to the point of exhaustion. Are you desperately needing a vacation from all of this craziness in your life? Are you ready to forget all the worry and stress and just enter a state of ease again? Hi, I'm Yulia Azriel.
And I'm Jen Wheeler. And we are both advanced yoga nidra facilitators with the Amrit Yoga Institute. And we have expertly guided thousands of people into experiencing life with a greater sense of balance and ease.
And we created a really exciting course for you, 21-day course, Energy and Balance Restored. This course consists of systematic teachings and videos and practices that will guide you into effortlessly entering the state of ease and balance that thousands of our clients and students were able to enter. We divided this course into 3 modules.
That's right. In the 3 modules, the first module will look at the 3 domains of stress, not just the typical types of stress that we normally think of, but also looking at some more hidden sources that we might not be aware of. We'll also take a look at the science of recovery and see how modern science is pointing us in the direction of some of these tools and practices that we'll be giving you. We'll also teach you a very powerful practice that allows you to enter what we call the 0 stress zone, where all of your cares and worries just begin to melt away. As we enter the second module, we will support you in beginning to prioritize your own energy levels as one of your most valuable currencies in life. We'll look at the ways that our energy can get drained and zapped, and help you reflect on where those things are happening in your life and what you can do to plug those holes. Mm-hmm. For the third module, we're going to be looking at these micro habits of ease. So there are these very small little things that you can start to add into your day-to-day life that don't take much time, but they can help to start bring you back to living in a more powerful way, simple, easy, living where you feel a lot more balanced. Just a little reset for your life, essentially.
Sounds amazing, doesn't it? So we invite you to join us on this so needed unplug from all the craziness, stress, and worry in your life, to be able to enter this state of ease, rejuvenation, and see at the world and your life from a renewed, fresh perspective.
We look really forward to supporting you on this journey.